A newly refurbished tourism counter has opened at the Outer Harbour Ferry Terminal ahead of the Lunar New Year for both visitors and locals. During the opening, the Tourist Office Director said authorities will step up efforts to prevent last year's chaotic scenes at the border gate from happening again.
This is the brand new look of the Tourist Information Counter here at the Outer Harbour Ferry Terminal. It's been here for more than 20 years. The same year, the terminal was relocated to the existing premise from the previous one at Avenida de Amizada in 1993. Since then, the counter was refurbished once in the course of the past 20 years. So it's time for a change, says the Macau Government Tourist Office Director.
Some will still continue to want to carry brochures, but we would also want to be able to cater better to the needs of the current tourists, so to speak. Especially for the younger generation, as we want to also encourage different segments of people to come to Macau. And besides, in the previous arrangement, quite a lot of different departments or even partners in tourism would like us to be able to also send out information about their activities or about some other services, but we were not able to cater to them because we cannot put up a lot of posters physically in the premises of our counter.
The entire renovation works only took less than 3 months.
I think all in all it took us 85 days, from the start of the works until the end of the, of course, until today. So we are very, very proud to say that, we have come up with, we have found quite a new solution to provide, different kind of service, a different level of service to our, to our tourists.
And now,
in this newly refurbished Tourist Information Center, ferry passengers who have arrived in this Outer Harbour Ferry Terminal can choose to talk to a representative and find out more information about Macau through the representative. Or they can choose to go to the information kiosk that is located here to find out all the information that is available. And they're being provided in 4 different languages, which is English, Portuguese, traditional Mandarin, as well as simplified Mandarin.
With this solution, we are able to provide a better service for our tourists on one hand, and also be able to give more information and help our partners to promote themselves better, using more digital platforms. And this time, with this new refurbishment, we are also providing better service also to people who are physically challenged. In the previous counters, we understand that our counters are a little bit too high, probably a little bit difficult for some physically challenged people to obtain information.
Now there are altogether 8 tourist information counters, 6 in the region and 2 in Hong Kong. Ms. Fernandez says the new Park 1 ferry terminal in Taipa will be adopting the new design, whilst others will largely depend on the size of the counter.